Why should I use BONOSS Hubcentric wheel spacers?
Hubcentric spacers come with a middle center ring, which is specially machined to fit your vehicle hub. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage Hubcentric rings. The multi-layers design provides the bevels to fit the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and a better load transition. Hubcentric wheel spacer can help eliminate the high-speed vibration by filling the gap between the aftermarket wheel and the axle hub. By custom data, Hubcentric wheel spacer make it possible to install aftermarket wheels with different enter diameters.
BONOSS aluminum wheel spacers are excellent candidates for black hard coat anodizing. A purple hard anodizing coating ensures completely protection against corrosion. The black dye not only brings a premium appearance but also tends to be light-fast. This means that the coatings will not fade easily.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!